touched it. It's
Right,
untouched,
right,
right?
right, right, right.
On the V level. Yeah.
Let us go to any recent market. So this level is still fresh. This level is still
Fresh. Yeah.
fresh because no touch yet, right?
Yeah.
In a sense, no fresh level I believe on here, except this one.
Right.
Okay, except this one.
Yeah.
Remaining we have some gap fresh level. So let we will talk about it also. We will talk about it also. So when you know fresh level, so to understand the direction we need three part. Okay, three part. Our
Okay.
first
Cool.
part is to identify a fresh level. Okay, fresh level. Second part is whatever time frame we are following. So let's say we are following daily time frame. Okay, we
Okay.
need to see the fresh daily level rejection. Okay, rejection. And the third, we need a breakout. Okay,
Okay.
bio breakout. So what it is, so let's say it's a monthly, it could be a level. Okay, it could be a level. Okay, a level.
Okay.
It could be a gap level. Okay, gap level. So let's say both of them are fresh. Okay, both of them are fresh.
Okay.
Then you see these two area means this is the same like a level line on the gap level line, right? Gap level line.
Right.
So market is somewhere here and it is going for this a or the gap fresh area. Okay, so you need something as a rejection on here. When we says the rejection is same thing like something like this, something like this. Okay, something like this.
Yeah, it's wicked, but it's close
No,
below
it should not be
the level.
like that. Should not be like that. Not even like
Yeah.
that. Okay, not even like that.
Right.
Because the
Okay.
breakout happened on here. If you do like something like that. Okay. So
Right.
it should be rejected. Now the rejection, does the color matter? The answer is no. It could be green or red. Right? Buy candle or sell candle.
Okay.
No issue. Now, when you are watching the fresh level, like like daily, or then you see the rejection, then you go to one or two time frame lower, right? There is something called time frame coordination. So if you're working monthly, you can jump to daily or weekly. Okay, if you are
Okay.
watching weekly, you can jump to daily or H4. Okay, so let's
Okay.
say this is the same market moving to area where the rejection happened. Okay, why the rejection happened, like this area, the rejection happened. Okay, the rejection happened.
Okay.
Now this rejection is same rejection on here, but we are watching it in somewhere between one or two time frame lower. So let's say it's H4 time frame. Okay, H4 time frame. This could happen like this, or the rejection candle could be like let's say this is the rejection. Okay, this is the rejection, and then it do something like that. Now both of the cases the rejection remain the same area. You understand it, brother? You see it?
Mm,
Like this is the first when it rejected, this is the first when it rejected. Sometimes the market may, like the candle could be like something like this, too much big wick.
okay.
So this is the possibilities
Right.
of it, right?
Oh, okay.
And
Okay.
if it is not, this is the possibilities of it, maybe. Okay, we will
Right.
see both
Right.
of the
Okay.
cases. So doesn't matter after the rejection, doesn't matter after the rejection. You may have some AV level. Okay, some AV level.
Okay.
You always focus on here, this one. Okay, this one,
Previous level
previous,
before touching it.
before touching it. So
Okay.
until it is not break with the body break, we will starting say like no, our direction is still same as bullish. You got it?
So until it's break, we're still bullish, right?
Right, until it's not break, not break.
Okay. Yeah.
If it's break,
Then we are
we
bearish.
are bearish. Now one thing to understand
Okay.
here, bearish always start from resistance and bullish always start from the
Right.
support. Okay, so you always look for a bullish bearish trend starting from here. Now if you comes to here, now we cannot say like this could be a breakout. This is not the one that we are looking for. You understand it?
Okay.
Why?
We we are looking at the low at the V level before touching it.
before touching it. So this is one. Now, sometimes one exception could happen. One exception could happen. What is the exception? Exception is, you see this, just the rejection area, the rejection area, like here. So it could happen. You can hear me, right?
Yes, I can.
The rejection candle, the same candle, like we normally sometimes we says we wait for closing of the body of this candle, right? Let's say we are watching in weekly time frame, okay? Weekly time frame, and we wait to close of that candle, okay? Sometimes in advanced way this happen, like this is the market going on, okay? Rejection happen, and the same
Okay.
candle before even closing it did break out that one.
Oh, okay.
So in that case, we do not need to wait for the closing of this week or the whatever time frame you're waiting for.
Oh, okay.
You can
Okay.
literally say with that candle that okay, it started to changing the direction.
In the on the lower time frame,
On
right?
the this is definitely should be like whatever time frame you follow. If you are following 1 hour time frame, you always look at it on either 30 minutes or 15 minutes.
Oh, okay.
So
Okay.
the breakout should be always in 1 or 2 time frame lower.
So if I'm looking at the setups on 1 hour, I'll for direction I will follow 4 hour time frame, right?
Yes, let us go to the market, that we will see. Okay, let us go to the
Okay.
market. So let's say this market is too bullish. Basically, there is nothing to explain on here. Okay, so
Right.
so let me start. Let us still go for it. Okay, let us come from the monthly. Okay, let us come from the monthly. So look what happened. We have a okay. One thing I want you to understand, when you try to find out the monthly storyline, okay,
Yep.
monthly in the monthly storyline, a gap is kind of important.
Okay.
Like you can mark the gap SNR as an SNR, okay, but when it comes to at least weekly, at least, okay, out of 100 times you will see any direction or any storyline, it is started from A to B level. 10 to 20% time it rejected from gap level, 4 to 5% time it rejected from nowhere, then we started to adding the trend line. What I mean by that I will show you. Okay, so
Okay.
look, this is the very clear, nothing we can explain on here as this like direction. It seems like too bullish, right? Because any concept you use in here. So let us go to weekly now. In the
So
week,
the second line,
yeah,
that if you,
yeah.
yeah, so this on the top candles, yeah. So the red candle has been rejected, right? The
This one.
first red candle,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah, this one. This is what I'm
So we
saying.
are still bullish.
In a
Yeah,
sense,
we're still
in a
bullish.
sense, we are still bullish. First of all, in a sense, because
Right.
every time if you look at here, so first what we did actually, we mark as a, let's say this is a level, right? A level. Before that one, no A level created. But every time we are moving to upward, we are having a fresh gap level as it is a monthly. Okay,
Right.
fresh gap level. Then what we see
Right.
is a monthly rejection happen, and we see from the gap, and also we see a level created as a fresh level. Okay, so
Right.
after a long time we are having a level. Okay, now
Okay.
this particular one is now our rejection candle. So what we say is we find out our fresh level, okay, both of the fresh level is identified, and we see the rejection from a resistance area. First of all,
Right.
resistance area,
Support.
we are
Yeah.
too much bullish though, still we are rejecting from a uh, uh,
Support area.
support area. So now in a sense what we are looking for actually, now we are looking for in a bullish market to a more bullish market,
Right.
isn't it? Because you
Yes.
cannot look for a sell trend on the resistance breakout, or the
Right.
resistance rejection,
Support.
right?
Yeah.
Sorry, support, sorry. So now where is the rejection, look at this. This is the whole month, isn't it? Whole month when we mark it as here. So when we go to the 1 or 2 time frame lower, what we see here, the whole month is marked. If you count from here to here, there will be 30 candle, I believe, like 22 20, it should be 20 bar. So 2 days will be missing here, I'm not sure why. Okay. Okay, let me check. Let me remove it. Just a minute. So let me draw again on here. It should be like today is the last day of the month, right? So it should be 22 bar. Okay, okay, okay. Let's check now. Let's check now. I'm not sure why it's not showing all again. Why it's showing 20? 28
But
days
this is,
counting. I'm not sure why.
but that's the November month, right?
Ah, okay, okay,
The
okay. So
January is still going
no,
on,
no, no,
right?
no,
We
no,
have
no, no,
still,
no. We are counting the last. Yeah. So okay, let's say this is not the end date of the month yet. Maybe okay.
yeah,
So look, this is the first thing we have here. Oh, so this is the candle. Why it mark here? Because we mark the monthly candle, right? We mark the monthly
right,
candle, and and what happened? Uh, the first day of the month. If you look at here, this is the November. Like here, look at this. This is the November already marking the November 1st. Okay, first
right,
November. So it automatically
yeah.
marking the first day of the month. But if you look, the dates rejected, it's actually rejected on 11, like this candle. Okay, 11th, like here. So what we're going to do, we are going to marking the rejection candle first. Okay, you understand it?
No, sorry.
Okay, so like think about like this.
So,
We are marking on a monthly basis.
right,
So what we are seeing here as a full month as a picture.
right.
Right. So that doesn't mean that the rejection we are looking for it happened on the 1st November. It could happen on the 2nd. It could happen on the 3rd. It could happen on the even last day of the November.
Okay,
In a full month, it could happen in any day.
right,
But
right.
when we mark the vertical line, it automatically marking started from the 1st November. So far clear?
Okay, yeah,
So now if you go to daily, so it was automatically marked on here, isn't it?
right.
But
Yes.
the rejection did not happen on here. It happened on somewhere between this day, 11th. Now understand?
Um, so where's the rejection happening?
Like this candle, this is the one. Though it is showing us as a breakout, but in a
Yes.
monthly, it is a rejection on happen on here. You see this line.
Oh, okay, right, right. It's
Because
that like,
we
okay,
are watching monthly, but daily could happen like if like this, if a daily candle something shows us this, okay, and
right,
the second day the candle should be shows us like this, and if we wanted to take it on the weekly, the weekly candle will show us something like this, isn't it?
right. Yeah.
Now clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Sorry, I was looking at the top line. I was confusing. Like
No,
before
no, no,
this
no. This
line,
is
we
the
have
A
a
level
low.
line.
Okay.
This is the A level line. This is the A level line.
Right.
This is I'm not sure what it is. Just check. Let me check. This is another line. So we do not need it. Okay.
Oh, okay.
We do not need it. We do not need it. So this is the A level line. This is the gap level where it rejected from. And when we see that, so this is the rejection happen, right? This is the rejection
Right,
happen. So we are looking for a bearish rejection. Sorry, support area rejection means we are looking for more bullish market structure.
right,
So,
right.
so in a line chart, what we say, sometimes what happen, the same week or the same month shows you the direction is still remains same. Like here, come here,
Right,
rejected, and the breakout happened in the exact month.
right, right.
So you understand now? Like this is the same market. The rejection area happened somewhere here. We say it, and this means that we are still in bullish. So your
Oh,
monthly is purely bullish. Yet,
right.
let us go to weekly. Okay.
Yeah.
Now the same thing we are going to do here is, so this is our very recent market. Okay, very recent market. We have this as a fresh level. Okay, we
Right.
have this as a fresh level. We have this as a fresh level. Okay, we have this as a
Okay.
fresh level. We have few fresh level also here and there. Okay, here and there. So now look. So what we need, we monthly is our bullish. Okay, monthly is our bullish, and anywhere of the upside rejection we will look for short. Anywhere in here we will confirm that our bullish remain more bullish. Okay, more bullish.
Okay.
In a, as I said, in sometimes in weekly you can draw some trend line. Okay, like this is a trend line. You see it, this is a trend line. So sometimes you will see the market is not rejected from a fresh level. Like the market
Okay.
should always move from fresh to fresh, isn't it? Fresh to fresh.
Right.
But uh, in weekly, most of the time we will see in weekly, it it randomly rejected from somewhere. Okay, so
Okay.
so that means then you will understand like maybe there are some trend line setup was there. Like there are so many example on here. Like if you look at here, this is a fresh level, this is a fresh level, and market is reaching to all-time high. Okay, so it randomly rejected from here. That doesn't mean that we have a fresh level in there and here. You understand? This is the rejection happen.
Right.
Okay.
Okay.
So now let me remove it here. So we will talk about it a little bit later. So we have a level here, we have a V level here, I'll say A level here. Most of them are fresh. Okay. So we wait to see a rejection. So first of all, we have a rejection on the V level. Sorry, A level, isn't it? A level.
Right. Yes.
Mark it. Mark it. Go to H4. Okay. Go to H4.
Okay.
Now, this is the marking, but the rejection happened on somewhere here, isn't it? Somewhere here.
Right. Yeah.
So, this is the breakout. This is the breakout, isn't it? This is the breakout.
Yes.
Now, from weekly, the storyline or the direction is little bit changed to bearish. Okay, to bearish.
Okay.
Now, to understanding till where it will be bearish. That's the thing to know now, isn't it? Like
Right.
I understand our monthly structure is bullish, but weekly just showing me that uh, in the bullish market we are seeing a weekly bullish market. So if the bearish is continuing till where, then we adjust like till to this fresh level. Okay, first
Okay.
till to this fresh level. Now we are waiting to till it come to this fresh level. At the same time, now remember we says we have this as a fresh level, as a trend line area, right? Question is,
Right.
we do not know actually the market is in the real market, is market going to uh, rejected from here or not here. So we are just adding as a confluence. You got it? Just confluence.
Yes.
If in
Yes.
case it not rejected from here, then we'll start counting this one as a
Rejection.
as a rejection. Okay. So
Okay.
what we see, market comes almost, but actually it is started to rejecting from here. You see, it is started to rejecting from here. Okay.
Why not that red candle?
No, which one? This one.
This one, yeah.
Yeah, this one. This is what I'm saying. This one, but what we are saying, it's not as I said. We as the this is the running week, it is still continuing. So we are still waiting as it is a fresh level, isn't it?
Right. Right. Okay.
But as of now, it's not breaking, so we are waiting. Now, what we see, as it did not come here, in the meantime, it gives us a V level on here.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, which is now aligned with our trend line area. Got it?
Right.
So we have a V level. Okay, what we need now, we need a rejection from the V level. So I hope okay, we got our rejection candle on here, right? Simple. We got
Right.
our rejection
Right.
candle on here. This one, we go to here, we go to here, go to H4. Now what we're looking for, where is the rejection happen? So basically this is the rejection happen, isn't it? This
Right.
is the rejection
Yes.
happen. Now it started to changing the direction when the breakout happened on here, like the recent A level, isn't it?
So for the A level, it doesn't need to be fresh A level
No,
or
no, 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 no. Breakout,
engulfing or
no, breakout. No, sometimes what will happen, every level is not an engulfing, isn't it?
yes.
So sometimes what will happen, uh, the A level may be rejected on here. So like this candle, the possibility is this candle could be like this, right? So it's not
Right.
fresh. There is no need for fresh and unfresh. The breakout
Okay.
could be happen because when you are looking for a breakout, you are looking for a lower time frame. So in the lower time frame is always massive.
Right.
Okay. So what happened on here? You have this as a breakout. So this is where it is started to continuing as your bullish market. Okay, bullish market.
Okay.
Your monthly and weekly is now aligned in the same time frame. You understand it? Same time frame.
Right. Right.
Let us go to daily now. In the daily, now look what you have on here. you had basically before this started, if you are talking about this current market, you had this was a fresh level, isn't it? This was a fresh
Right.
level. Now when the breakout happened, this become fresh again, isn't it? This become fresh again, isn't it?
Oh, okay.
So you have this also as a fresh level. You got it? This and
Yes.
this as a. Now the question is, in the lower time frame, I do not rely that much on the gap, A level to A level only when it comes to daily on H4, because this is too
Okay.
noisy now. Anywhere it can reject it. So I prefer only A level to V level. Okay. Now you have your this, and the next fresh level is here. Next fresh level is here, right? So now
Sorry, one question, brother. So for how many times we can use a level, like when it's keep refreshing? Let's say in this case,
for
it
me,
become
let me show you. Let me show you. I do not need to show you actually, because this is something where I am making some at least few videos, okay, where
okay.
all the directional related, like most of the people I know that SOP learning is easy, but when it comes to the direction, this is where it struggle started.
Right.
so, so what I'm doing, I'm planning to make at least 40-50 videos for the like SNR way, engulfing way, and with some VBMA conference. So
Okay.
I will give you the access to the room, early access, a little bit later. Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay.
now let us move on here. So this is again becoming fresh, right? You look for a rejection,
Right.
simple as it is. Oh my god. So so look, your daily again started to rejecting on here. You see, the rejection happened on here.
Right.
So
Yes.
now same daily to, as I said, daily coordination would be H4 on H1. So whatever time frame you look for first, you go to here. Where is the rejection? So basically, this is where the rejection happened. You see, the rejection happened.
Right.
Rejection happened. Now you mark this. The breakout happened. This is started to continuing bullish. Okay. So now
Okay.
till wire to wire, as I said, this is your first area. Okay, first area. Then
Okay.
you can look for the upper area. Okay, so let us go to daily basis. So look what happened. It rejected from here. Okay, it rejected
Right.
from here. Now go to again on the H1 or H4, whatever. So where is the rejection? Basically the rejection on here. Okay, the rejection in H4,
Yep.
if you look at here, H4 the rejection, and here the same V level remains, same V level. Okay, you are looking for a bearish market, but to become a bearish it need to break down this particular area, isn't it?
Right.
And then it comes here, it did not break through. What happened? It did not break through. It goes to
Yes.
break out the same high again. Okay, same high again. Now you come to the lower time frame, also do the same math like H4. So you have your H4 fresh level here, the rejection happen here, go to 30-minute. Okay, where is the rejection? So basically this is the same candle as a rejection. This is your A level. Okay,
Right.
and the breakout happened. We started to buying from the breakout, anything we have our SOPs there. Look for it, buy for it. So simply, you know, so,
Right.
so basic, look what where we started from. We started from monthly, and this is what we are doing. Simply it's going up, going up, going up. So this is what you should do as a directional process, like wire to wire, wire to wire, wire to wire.
Okay.
Seems complex,
Um.
seems complex, I
Yeah.
understand, but I am trying to make it easy. Like I'm trying to make a lots of bunch of videos. The few videos is done. So as I said, I'm to fresh and unfresh level, I will give you an access. So remaining just focusing on like the way higher time frame. Okay, higher time frame. So my plan is, before that, uh, uh, I will go cover first few basic of the directional video. Then I will cover the engulfing one, is very easy. Okay, so engulfing and other process in between, so that everything become so easy. Then as SNR a little bit complex, then there are like 40-50 videos, not even that. I think 20 I needed for the direction of the SNR, 5 to 10 would be needed for the EG, and other for the 10 done. The No one ever going to face the directional issue when it completed. Recently there are some issue like The direction is the main problem, but also once you do not manage your risk, okay, do not manage your
Right.
risk, then
Yeah.
doesn't matter if you have a 100% win rate ratio.
Yeah.
Like, 100 is not, 100 is too much. Let's say you are having 90% win ratio of anything you follow. Do not need to be mine, do not to be anyone. Let's say you invented it, okay, and
Right.
if your money management and the risk management sucks, means you are doomed. No way you are going to be a trader in this industry. You are looking for one. Let's say you traded 10 lot, one lot in 10 trade. Every trade you make 1:2, 1:3, and you become overconfident. Now you started to trading like 10 lot, 100 lot. One trade is gone, everything is gone. So this is not
Yeah.
the one. So the specific way of, like, you have $1,000, until $2,000 you follow specific amount of money, which is maybe 0.401, 0.20. So your job is, once you reach to $2,000, raise the lot size to 0.20 to 0.30. If any case you come back again to the below the $2,000, you go back to the previous lot size.
Oh, okay.
This is how you should go move on. Now you cannot expect, you open 7 trade, and every 7 trade you want it to grow your balance 300, 400 times every trade. 2, 3 times you could be lucky, and then
Right.
you know. So avoid this thing. Anyway, any question for today, brother?
Yeah, just one question. So let's say in this case we were waiting for the daily to, like, we saw the rejection on the daily,
Ha,
and then we saw the breakout happen.
ha.
So when breakout happens, then what should we do?
We should look for the SOPs now, because you got the confirmation.
Oh, okay.
Like,
So
simple. Also, if you do not want to make it complex, brother, let's say I do not want to make it complex, go for the very basic. Actually, what I mean by very basic, you look for something like this, like this. So just a minute. You go to the daily first, okay? You'll go to the daily first, and
okay.
look at your like this. So